What up, Smart Rapper gang? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. And in this video, I'm going to talk about an outside-the-box music marketing strategy that, well, it clearly worked. And it's something and somebody that you're clearly familiar with.
Who you gonna call? I'll wait.
Let's just go ahead and get into it.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an S. Yeah!
That would be the long one. Right, not too far back, Lil Nas X was exactly where you guys are right now. Just an unknown artist trying to make it. And that should tell you and show you how much hard work counts and how quickly you can take your career and get it off the ground if you just put your mind to it. I'm talking about some of the things he did in this video that you can still apply today, right? He dropped out of college to focus on music. And once Old Town Road was done, he was only sleeping 3 hours a night and spending all of his time marketing his song on Instagram and other social media platforms, okay? Fun fact here, all right? The chorus where he says, "Can't nobody tell me nothing," is actually about his parents who didn't support his choice to drop out of college and pursue music full time.
I literally have, my dad paying my phone bill and a Twitter account. So it's like, I gotta make something shake because I'm not going back to work.
Of course, what parent would? But you gotta believe in yourself, and he did. Let me tell you a little bit about what he did to market that song. He made tons of memes about the song and played up the culture clash of country and hip hop, which was the whole point of the song, right? That's a clash. It's not normal. It's still not normal, right? It's not common. The messages that he put out online in social media played right into the message of the song. Okay? Now, this is one of the ideas from one of my masterclasses on music marketing. You always want to utilize controversy because people talk about it. They talk about it. They talk about you. Good, bad, doesn't matter. They're talking about you.
Let's keep it real, man.
And by leaning into this crazy new genre mashup, which some people are not too happy about, by the way, initially, he gained notoriety and respect for going in a new route with this song. And you can do this now. Think about combining other genres and making something unique, making a new sound, adding new elements and sounds. And I teach you how to do that on Smart Beatmaker. And then I show you how to produce your own songs like I do. I teach you how to do that, right? When you make your own beats, so you got to go in there and add these elements and these sounds that make it more unique in you, right? But he did something that was pretty smart with his original video for the original song as well. And I'm not talking about the Billy Ray Cyrus version. I mean the original, which was when he was actually singing on the hook himself, okay? He made a video that was a video game of cowboys in the Wild West. And you guys already know what video game that is, okay? Now this was a really clever idea because it also tied into a gaming audience, which made the audience enormous. Because if you like the game, you probably like that video, right? That's genius. So think about how you can market your songs to gamers by utilizing clips of the game to turn it into a music video. This was a very clever, simple, and probably, well, no, it was free besides the time it took him to actually make it.
You smart.
That's an amazing music marketing strategy. He also released the song as country, not rap, meaning that it would stand out like crazy because obviously it's going to create the controversy.
You very smart.
Right? Now this is not a bad takeaway either. Cross-genre songs with rap and something else can be very unique. And we've seen, obviously, they can be really successful because they're out of the box. They're out of the ordinary. They're not normal, but if they sound good, people love them, right? Now, obviously, the success of that song led to his record deal. It led to him getting the remix with Billy Ray Cyrus. It led to him cementing the song as a cross-genre massive hit. The music industry was definitely adjusted in some forms by this, by letting labels know, hey, this will work. Now, a big part of marketing your music is identifying the unique things about yourself and highlighting or promoting them in an accessible way to people, okay? And this is true for companies and products the same way that it is for rappers and musicians, okay? People need an answer to the question.
You ain't lying.
Here's the question. They need the answer to this. Why is this thing? Why this thing? Why should I like this thing when there are so many other things in the world I could like? They may not ask that out here, but their subconscious is thinking it. Why am I wasting my time on this? This. Why should I stop on this TikTok? You need to be able to answer that question as soon as they hear the song, as soon as they see the video. So always ask yourself that before you release something, video and song, whatever. Is the person gonna say, yes, I need this? Is it different enough or is it just another song, another video, right? And the more unique your answer is to that question when they ask themselves that, the better you're gonna do. It can't be too complicated. Like I said in that DJ Khaled video, if you'd watched that one, he was able to identify something unique about himself and he figured out how to sell it. And if you can do that too, you'll be worth millions of dollars and you'll be more successful than you ever imagined in the music industry.
Buy your mama a house. Buy your whole family houses.
So right now, this week, this video, today, I want you to think about the 3 things that would describe you or your music. Really, and they can't be vague. Stay away from vague stuff like epic or, you know what I'm saying, right? So words that can work though well are like funny, right? Because that says something about your music. That also says something about your audience. And once you have your adjectives, your brain will automatically help you create content that shows those things off, including songs. We'll actually give you some organization for you and your brand, okay? Lean into that, right? The more simple your message, the better. And don't forget to share it. Remember, no one can become a fan of you if they've never heard your stuff or even seen you anywhere.
You ain't lying.
Brand awareness. Consistently be in their face. And once you've got your branding down, use it the same way that Lil Nas X did. Use it the same way that DJ Khaled does. Simple, clever ideas that maximize exposure and have massive entertainment value that keep the people liking you for you, and therefore liking the music and everything else you create, okay? And remember, when you're building fans, you need to offer value to them in order to catch and hold their attention. If you can't do that, you're not gonna build a grow fan base, okay? You're just not, unless you have absorbent amounts of money, and you probably don't, right? But that value you bring to them can be humor or your personality. Don't forget to use that. It's free for you to be yourself.
Let's keep it real, man.
And most of you are not utilizing that, okay? Don't be afraid to use every tool that you can use to get to the top. Don't be super desperate, but don't be too proud either, right? If you're just starting out, you don't have anything to be proud about anyways. You may be overthinking that you think, who cares? Who cares? Don't let your ego get in the way of the real work that you need to do to get to the top. Stop making excuses. Stop procrastinating. Think outside of the box, okay? If you need help with your branding, I have a branding masterclass that people are absolutely in love with. I put a link below, smartrapper.com/branding. Link's gonna be below this video. Check it out. I hope you learned some stuff from this video. Hit me with a like, hit me with a subscribe, and stay up to date, all right? Click that little bell because I release 3 new videos a week, and we've got a lot of really, really amazing videos coming. I'm telling you, right? Non-stop. Let's get it, okay? I'm Rob Level. Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
Let's go.
Damn, do I look good on camera? Ain't nobody looking better. Where's my money? I need answers. Got 3 horses slay like Santa. This much green, you need a tractor. I feel like Tony Montana. I put that shit on my ground.